Today, we're deep cleaning this dirty car and making it look brand new again. The car hasn't been cleaned out in many years and has a lot of pet hair in it. See the restoration of the interior carpet, roof, seats, and plastics of the car. It is a really satisfying process. Time to clean the exterior of the car. The interior of the car is in desperate need of cleaning. This has been a fun process to follow. At least the car felt some love, and now it's so spotless. So excited for the end result. Absolutely amazing! The car looks brand new again.